So before we get into this video, I just gotta say rest in peace the real GOAT Virgil, bro. Such an amazing minded person in general, and it's kind of crazy that he's gone so unexpectedly. Nobody knew that he was battling cancer for like 2 years, and it just goes to show that, bro, life isn't promised. You really don't know what somebody is dealing with. Like, I don't know what you guys are dealing with. You don't know what I'm dealing with behind the camera. Like, you really don't know what's going on in other people's lives, and you kind of just got to be mindful, because like people are dealing with their own shit, and it's crazy, bro. Like, this shit just opens up your eyes. Just appreciate everything you have, everybody you have around you, everything, bro. Like, literally, the fact that I could speak right now is even just thank you, bro. Like, just for real, think about it like that. I guess we'll get straight into the video. Today we're actually gonna talk about Supreme Week 15, which is the WTAPS collaboration. We also do have the lookbook out already. I'm gonna talk about everything. This video might come out the same day as the Jordan 11 Cool Grays or the morning after, either or. I'm gonna see how I'm gonna play it, but make sure y'all check that video out. Leave a like on this video, man. Subscribe to the channel. We're on road to 20,000. I'm really trying to grind for this shit. Hit them post notification bells. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. All the way at the top, we got the Storm bowling set. This is basically 2 bowling balls. Hey, I don't know nothing about bowling that much. They got 2 balls coming out. I don't know if these are different sizes, the weights, I don't know. These look kind of cool just to like put somewhere. Definitely not if it's $200. It's decent, you feel me? A lot of people are feeling that. We also do have the Supreme Hanes thermal set. So we got the top and we got the bottom. Honestly, these shits got a whole skeleton vibe on it, and I'm not gonna lie, it's not that bad. The cream one isn't that bad for the top. These are basically some thermals, bro. Like, whenever it get brick outside, brisky, if you need this, you feel me, you'll be good. Like, I don't know where you working. You might be working in a refrigerated area. You might need these bitches. I'm probably gonna be good on those. We do have the first piece from the WTAPS collab, which is this grillz incense holder. This is fire. If you can unmount the grill on this shit and mold it to your teeth, that'll be hard as this shit is fire. I'm not gonna lie, I might try to go for this. It all depends on 1, is it real gold? 2, what's them prices looking like? And 3, am I really trying to do all that? Cause I don't know if I'm even gonna like this bitch. I know that it has the little cone incense shit. I know y'all seen this shit on Instagram or TikTok. You know what I'm talking about. They put that shit at the top of the fountain and the shit just oozes down. But yeah, the incense grill burner, that shit is kind of fire. Let me know what y'all think about that. There's this Windstopper neck gaiter, basically a mask that says Supreme on the front. This is not that bad, low-key. This is kind of fire. I feel like for the winter, this is a nice alternative to a mask. We do got the incense packs. I wonder if the actual grillz brings incense with it, or you gotta buy it separately, or does it give you some and then you gotta buy more? You feel me? I don't know how that shit works. We got the WTAPS crew neck. It comes in 3 colorways, and honestly, I feel like either color is fire. I honestly really love the olive and the black more than the red, but I do think you can't go wrong either way you take it. You see how this is highly branded. I still think it's hard. This is a more simplistic take on a crew neck, in my opinion. I feel like if I were to buy it, I'd probably just buy the olive because it's different and shit look fire. I'm not gonna lie. We also do have the Sikum hoodie. On the front of this one, you got this Sikkim logo, which I believe looks like it's in chenille or embroidered. Then there's like a WTAPS little badge on it under it. They can miss me with that white one. That shit is kind of ass, but the logo on this one is fire. I don't know what the Sikkim means, but it's kind of hard. I do like that olive color more than the black, but the black isn't bad as well. On the back it says street as usual, then it has the little logos under it. This is actually fire, and I feel like it would have been hard if they would have done a WTAPS Vans collab with the Supreme. That shit would have been hard. The vest is sick. It comes in 3 colors, and honestly, I feel like I would wear either one of these. If I were to pick one, I'd probably just go cream or black. You can wear this with a lot of outfits, spring, fall, and winter. Technically, I wouldn't really freak this in the summer. You're gonna be out here, you feel me? This is kind of hard. That black is hard. If this isn't too expensive, it might be the piece I go for. Next, we got the Sikkim Tea. This one comes in 2 colors. The black one is obviously the one I would go for. Retail on this is probably gonna be like around $50, something around that price point. I feel like the fact that it has all the colors in a simple way kind of lets you wear this sneaker with either one of those colors, if that makes sense. I don't know if I'm gonna end up going for this. I feel like the outerwear type pieces that they're dropping are way better than the tees and shit like that, but we do got this fur coat, like come on bro, the fur coat is hard, especially in that olive color, like that jade green color. Bruh, stop playing with them. You don't need no branding. This shit is fire, bro. Pull up in this shit, it's over, bro. Like this shit is sick. Let me know what y'all think about this fur ass coat. Come on bro, this is the pimp coat, low top, you feel me? Because normally they have the long pimp coat. This is the short top pimp coat, drop top pimp coat. Let me know what y'all think about this one, especially in that green, bro. If they would have had the pink, big clock chain Flavor Flav, that's all I'm gonna say. But we up out of there. That shit is kind of hard. Stop playing with them. We do got the Varsity Jacket coming in 2 colors. The front on that white looking jacket is hard, bro. That's like a New Year's jacket fit. I don't know why they put that shit on the back. Riddle me that. The front is hard. The back, you feel me? Like, nah. We good. I'm good on that. I will never figure that out. It's gonna be alright though. So we have like a whole Windstopper collection looking ass coming out, and I'm gonna step to the side for this one. We got the overalls, the sweatpants, sweatshirt, ear flap hat, and we got like some bucket hat looking ass, and we got the ear flap bucket hat. How the fuck does that even happen? We got all them pieces coming out. That whole shit right there is ass. We good on all that. I feel like the branding on the sweatpants is hella small and hella high. Shit don't make no sense at all. You're paying hella bread for no fucking reason. So we good on those. The sweatshirt is not that bad. It's probably the better piece out of all that shit. It's still like, I'm not paying Windstopper like $228 for that hoodie. They bugging, bro. Like it don't make no sense. Especially with WTAPS dropping like some cool shit. Like it don't make no sense. So all that shit was ass. We not even gonna talk about it. It's past tense now. There's the Sikkim skate deck. The skate deck is fire. Honestly, I would get it, but I don't know where I would put it. So I don't know if I'm gonna get it. You feel me? I kind of want it, but it's like a do you need it type thing. Supreme is always gonna be dropping skate decks. Like that shit is never gonna change. This one is hard though. Don't get it twisted. And I'd probably put that shit right here. I'm not gonna lie. That's fire. I might still not get that shit. Then we got the WTAPS beanie. This one's actually not for me. You feel me? Like I don't wear beanies with palms on the top. That's just not my cup of tea. I'm good on that right there, but it doesn't look bad. You feel me? It's cool. It's just not for me. It might be for you. We gonna go ahead and get past that. The WTAPS hockey jersey is a banger. I don't know why it's all the way down there. I actually think this shit is hard. I don't even f with hockey jerseys no more. I used to in the past. This one's fire, bro. Like if I had the storm blue Jordan 1s with this hockey jersey, I feel like it's a banger, bro. Let me know what y'all think about that shit. But we got the web velvet short sleeve. I'm not gonna lie, this shit is type fire. Going out for dinner type shit. The black one with some black denim, black Prada shoes. Ooh. Bruh, stop playing. That'll be hard though. Tell me that shit wouldn't be hard. I don't know. Let me get up out of there. We do have hella hats. I covered 2 of them already, but I'm gonna step to the side for this one. We got the Eyes New Era. Shit is alright. Honestly, the only real decent one is the all black one, and the eyes are kind of creepy on this one, so we gonna be alright with that. We got the rainbow knit loose gauge beanie right here. You feel me? We good on that. We good on that. We good. We got the ear flap joint, which we already covered previously, and honestly, I don't know why ear flaps were invented on hats. If you know what year that was invented in, I will PayPal you $5. We got the Windstopper ear flap crusher. How do you even put this shit together, bro? You got an ear flap under a bucket hat. The shit go out like this, and you got ear flaps under it. Are they removable is the question. Let me know, are the ear flaps removable? That's the real question at the end of the day. We good on all that shit. There's one more hat, and it was this support unit 6-panel hat. This one basically comes in 5 colors, and it's all the way at the bottom of the list, but I honestly feel like it should be above all the other hats. This one is actually not that bad. It has the graffiti design on the front of it, and then on the back it basically says Supreme, and it has like support unit, all that shit. I think this hat is not that bad, especially the pink color. Shit is kind of slapping. The black one is slapping too. This hat is a sleeper. I know it'll be sitting there, but that hat is a sleeper. We got 2 more pieces, one being the pleated trousers, which honestly I'm trying to get my pleated trouser game all the way elevated. I'm trying to be on like a whole new YSL boots looking ass vibe. Like I'm trying to have the streetwear, but I'm also trying to get my man shit up there. You feel me? I'm trying to just be everywhere with it. But I think these trousers gonna take a seat. If your pleated trouser levels are elevated to the maximum, this is for you. Like I'm not even gonna hold you up. Do you? Like, you know what I'm saying? Last piece is the Equip or Equip Thermal. This one comes in 4 colors. It's kind of cool. The simplicity of it is just art in itself, bro. I like when clothing is more simple. You feel me? There's 2 different flavors. I feel like sometimes you go wear Supreme and it's like, I get it. This shit says Supreme fucking right here. Sometimes you don't want it to say it right there. You feel what I'm saying? I just want a colored shirt. But all 4 colors for this is clean. I feel like it's something more simple. Wear a crop jacket on the back, slight subtle flex. I think it's clean. I don't know why it's so low. Maybe because people love that Supreme around the titty area. You feel me? That's what people like. Low key, me too, but I'm trying to have the best of both. So, but yeah, man, that was pretty much everything we had to cover in this video. I just want to say once again, bro, rest in peace, Virgil. Like, at the end of the day, I was making a video for y'all. I get it, it's cool, but bro, what the fuck? Shit's crazy. But yeah, man, leave a like if y'all enjoyed this video. Subscribe down below. Road to 20,000 subscribers. Let me know what gift would y'all want. I'm either gonna do cash prizes. Let me know what y'all want, literally, bro, because I'm trying to construct a giveaway for December because I'm about to go hard, bro. Like, I'm not stopping, not letting up. I'm trying to figure out what to give to y'all as a giveaway. Obviously, all I need is y'all to subscribe to the channel. If you rocking with it regardless, just support regardless. I do want to show some appreciation at the end of the year because honestly, none of this shit would happen without y'all. So thank you so much. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace. Stay up. Now out.
Never see the sun, always see the night.